In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the lookup function in Tableau. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your data visualization skills, the lookup function is a powerful tool that can add depth and insight to your data analysis. So, let's dive right in. To start, you want to open the Tableau public app on your computer. If it's not already installed, you can download it from Tableau's website. Once you have the app open, the next step is to access your worksheet. This is where you will build your visualization and apply the lookup function to your data. Now, you'll need to drag the order date field into the rows shelf. This step organizes your data chronologically, which is crucial when using the lookup function to compare or analyze trends over time. Following that, drag the profit field to the text shelf. Doing this allows you to present your profit data visually, enhancing its readability and interpretability. Once your data is on the worksheet, it's time to create a calculated field. Go ahead and click on the drop-down arrow at the top right corner of the data pane and select Create Calculated Field. You'll need to name this field something relevant that will help you identify its function later. Then, type your lookup function query into the formula box and click OK to save it. The lookup function can help you retrieve values from previous rows, enabling comparative and dynamic analysis of your data set. Now, drag the calculated field you've just created onto the table and make sure to reorder it alongside the profit field on the marked shelf. This will help you see the relationship or differences as per your calculation. After that, it's time to create another calculated field. Just like before, click on the drop-down arrow and select Create Calculated Field. Give this new field an appropriate name, input your query, and press OK once you're done. With your newly created field, drag it to the table to incorporate it into your data visualization. This allows you to enhance your original data set with additional comparative data, offering more insights. Next, right-click on the calculated field within the Measure Values pane. Select Default Properties, then choose Number Format from the drop-down menu. Finally, set the format to percentage and adjust the decimal places to 1. This step ensures that your data is not only accurate, but presented in a way that is easy to understand at a glance. Understanding how to present your data effectively is just as crucial as the data analysis itself. With that, you have now successfully used the lookup function within Tableau. Remember that mastering these steps takes practice, so feel free to revisit and refine your approach as needed. Thanks for tuning in, and happy visualizing.